In order to flush your engines when you get back to the dock, trim up and grab your freshwater garden hose and attach to the engines. The engines should be off while flushing. 2 ways to do it. First way is to connect directly into the freshwater port here. You're going to twist and pull out. Undo the cap. Where you'll then put the hose into there. It's important to make sure that this seal is here. If not, it won't get good water flow. When done flushing, make sure the seal again is still there. Put the cap back in, tighten, place back in, and lock. Make sure you do it for every single engine. Another great way to flush your engines is using the Reverso flush system. This model is fitted with the Reverso flush system. Reverso flush is a systematic way to flush each engine in sequence. To operate the Reverso flush, you'll connect your freshwater garden hose to the port located in the transom of your vessel. Once the hose is attached, you'll then turn the water on and press the button here. Press the button one time and you'll start a 15-minute cycle. Press it twice, and it'll be a half cycle at 7.5 minutes. Once each engine is done, the flush system will move on sequentially to the next if you have more than one engine. Remember, it's important to flush your engines no matter how you choose to do it. Also, it's equally as important to make sure that your engines are trimmed up and that they're off. While flushing your engines, it's important to also be around while dockside water is connected, to make sure there's no flooding of any compartments that could potentially damage electronics. Thanks for watching. This is Captain Josh with MarineMax Pompano.